We're back for another episode of Beat Eats. I'm Dan Hope. Colin Hass-Hill is behind the camera. We're here in Lincoln, Nebraska, where Ohio State will play Nebraska on Saturday. And we're about to go check out Leadbelly, a restaurant here in the Haymarket district of Lincoln. It's supposed to be really good, so we're going to go in and check it out. All right, so we're taking a look at the menu here inside Leadbelly. Lots of good options here: sandwiches, burgers, mac and cheese, salads, all kinds of different stuff, poutine. But the signature item here, from my understanding, I know Andy Staples has eaten it, a lot of people have eaten it. It's called the full leaded jacket. And this is a burger on a cinnamon roll with chili, queso, white cheddar, tomato, onion, fresh jalapeno, sour cream, and crisp corn tortilla. I'm a little bit scared, but I think I gotta try it. I think we all know where this is heading. It's Beat Eats. Don't think it gets much more Nebraska than this, so I think we gotta give it a shot. All right, so this probably looks to you like a plate of nachos, but it's actually a burger inside a cinnamon roll. It's topped with chili, jalapenos, sour cream, all kinds of tortilla chips around it. From what I read, this was apparently made as a joke, but it became such a popular menu item that it stuck around, and it's supposed to be really good, so I guess it's time for me to dig in. Typically, I would eat a burger with my hands, but this looks like a knife and fork kind of meal.
Get this way, let's just confirm there's a burger in there.
There is a burger, yeah, so if you really look, you can see there is a burger in here. And this is a cinnamon roll that's encompassing it. These are tortilla chips. You got the sour cream, the jalapenos, tomatoes, cheese. It's a very interesting combination of flavor because you get sweet in some bites, you get spicy in some bites. It's got a kick to it, but it's got some sweetness to it too. As somebody who likes spicy food and who likes dessert, I have to say I'm a fan. All right, I think I made it. Just a few tortilla chips left here, but otherwise finished up with the full leaded jacket. Looked intimidating, but made it through. Very good, much better than a runza. For those who don't know, I had a bad experience of runzas here in Lincoln 2 years ago, and that's all we'll go with that. But really good. I recommend it. Leadbelly here. I usually get dessert, but I think when you eat a burger that's on a cinnamon roll, I think that probably has to count as dessert. So I think we're just going to go with this, but very good meal here. Leadbelly in the Haymarket district in Lincoln. I hear it gets busier here later in the day, so got in at a good time. If you're in Lincoln for the game, come check it out and get yourself a full leaded jacket, because how many times can you say you ate a burger on a cinnamon roll top of chili?